Bekal Fort is a famous fort in Kerala state. It featured in many Indian films. The famous one is from Bombay and the super hit song Uyire is filmed in this iconic location. See the visuals from the film. Bekal Fort is easily accessible from the National Highway 66, which is also known as Adapalli Panvel Highway. Bekal is located between Kasaragod and Kanjang Head. This fort is spreading over 40 acres of land and the construction is done with laterite stone bricks. This fort's construction resembles the Chandragiri Fort and Kannur Fort, which is also known as St. Angelo Fort, built by Dutch. Fort was built in 1650 by Shivappa Nayaka of Kaladi. Then after Carnatic War from 1763, fort was occupied by Mysore King Hyder Ali. In 1791, after Tipu Sultan's death, the fort was under East India Company's control. There is a big watchtower in the center of the fort, which will give long-distance views to the sea. There is sliding walkways in each watchtowers to bring the war equipment like cannons. There are various underground passageways in the fort, but they are now locked with iron gates and no one is allowed to go inside. Apart from the big watchtower, there are many other watchtowers and the seaside views from the fort is awesome. If you are visiting in a rainy season, there will be more green like in the film clip shown in the beginning. There is a Sri Mukhayaprana temple of Hanuman inside the fort. There is also an ancient mosque built by Tipu Sultan. In 1992, Bekal Fort was declared as a special tourism area. The entry fee is 25 and it requires at least 3 to 4 hours to see whole area of the fort. Recommended to visit this fort early morning or late afternoon since it's an open fortress, so can be quite hot. We also tried to visit the Chandragiri Fort, which is 10 kilometers far from here. Unfortunately, it was closed when we reached there. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and share the video with your friends. Feel free to comment below if you have any suggestions. Thank you and see you in the next.